What's going on, traders? Thanks for tuning into today's YouTube video. Today, guys, I just want to give you a quick update on all the pairs that I got over here on my watch list. So this is going to be a very short video just to explain you the new things that occurred in this market. Now, the DXY, as I already explained to you, is from my point of view super bearish. We have enough confirmations for that one, so you check it out over here. Market is respecting this level of resistance, respecting this area over here of monthly supply, starting strong impulse from here to the downside, followed by a correction and then the continuation to the downside. Now at this area we've been facing some level of demand, and this is the reason why the market from here has given us the movement to the upside. However, it already retraced between the 0.382 and the 0.5, which is perfect in alignment with the previous level of support, now turned a resistance. Now the last monthly candle of February has closed as a bullish one, which means the market can potentially go up higher this month before dropping finally to the downside. And this is exactly what we can see currently from the weekly perspective. We are still in this correctional channel, but the market is still in the corrective move to the upside. What I do expect currently is that the market will move up higher before dropping afterwards crazy to the downside. We can see this from the daily perspective pretty clear. The market has approached over here, strong move to the downside, correction, strong move to the downside, and then from here it broke everything to the upside, breaking this level of resistance, now turn support. And right now we got two options for the DXY. Option number one is that we're going to respect this area, or we're going to push up even higher. So let me check it over here. This is resistance, but we know we have here another level of resistance, so the market can easily go up higher like this or like this before dropping massively to the downside. What does that mean right now for the gold chart? Well, on the gold chart, I already explained to you some stuff in the last video. Overall, we're super bullish on gold, that's for sure. However, we're currently on a deeper retracement because we broke through this level of support over here. I explained it also on the live stream again. The market has started a strong impulse to the downside. What we would like to see right now is the market to approach this level over here. Specifically, what I would like to see is that the market will move a little bit lower. Okay, that's based on this weekly impulse to the downside. We could go eventually a little bit below the 0.618. That's this level based on the monthly time frame. Let's see. I do expect that we're going to touch this one maybe a little bit deeper, and then we're going to move crazy to the upside. So very high interest of level to buy gold from that one, and then I do expect the market to go up higher. However, buying right now or shorting right now would be very dangerous, as the market could go every single time for a deeper correction before doing this. Okay, so that's one of the scenarios, or the price will go straight to the downside, giving you movement like this, and then you will jump after this impulse followed by correction here into nice long positions. AUDUSD here is something which I explained also the last time. We're facing level of demand, and let's see if it will respect. If not, we're going to drop down lower. If yes, then we're going to push up higher. So we got here two options. Option number one is clean break of it, or option number two is, yeah, we're going to respect it. Yeah, let's go to EURUSD, guys. Now from the monthly chart, this thing is super bullish still. You can see it over here, impulse correction, impulse correction. Currently we're facing again previous level of resistance, now turn support. And if we're taking right now our fib retracement, we can see that we're already retraced till 0.5, which is way enough, and we can expect the continuation to the upside. However, we could go down again till the 0.5 before seeing this strong movement to the upside. I don't know yet. This kind of movement on the weekly time frame was kind of liquidity grab from this area of supply. So yeah, let's see, guys, let's see. What can we see else here based on the weekly is that we could eventually go down lower to test the 0.618 again, which would be the 0.5 based on the monthly time frame. So everything will be still okay. And also if we're going to dive into the 0.786 would be perfectly, because exactly there the most liquidity would be provided. Okay, let me switch to the daily. Look here, the daily looks super bearish. Look here, continuation pattern to move down lower. However, because of the market has given us this movement to the downside, we could expect this kind of a retracement before dropping massively to the downside. Okay, to test specifically this level over here. This is what I do expect more than likely before seeing then any further drop to the downside. Yeah, GBPUSD, this is something very important which I explained on the live stream. So just a quick check over here. This is a typically uptrend. You have 3 stages. The stage number 1 is something where nobody knows if it will be really an uptrend. This is where institutions are accumulating their positions by giving you a very weird structure. And yeah, it did give us a nice structure afterwards because the market jumped over here in this linear growth. As you can see over here, you went to the upside, to the downside and stuff like this. It was not 100% clear because the movement came from the upside to the downside, and then afterwards it was a constant movement to the upside. That's the second stage. During the stage, more and more professional traders are joining the uptrend, who knows that the targets are very high, and then at some point this whole thing is going to get exponential to the upside, and this is where many traders are going to get out of the market. Retail traders are going to short this market, are going to buy this market, and they're going to be cleared on both sides, because this will be the result, a huge drawdown, huge positions closing at the top. This is why I do expect the GU should go more to the downside, specifically based on the monthly time frame. Look here, you can face strong area of supply. They used it to close their position. Here you got previous level of support resistance. What you would like to see right now is at least a retracement till the 0.32 or even lower to test the 0.5, which will be perfectly aligned with this structure level. And then afterwards, the bullish continuation. GJ is almost the same. Have a look over here. You got supply here. Movement to the downside is expected, specifically also here at least till the 0.32 before the overall bullish continuation would be here, perfect in alignment with the structure. Weekly is telling you the same. Yeah, but however, currently I do not have a current trading ID. You just need to monitor price action during this range to go for a nice short. Bitcoin is currently facing some resistance, as you can see, so it's giving you the correction that you wanted to see till the 0.5, and from here the market could go eventually bullish again, but what I do expect is a deeper retracement till the 0.618 before it will continue to move up higher. Let's see how the week will close. I would like to see this week being bearish again, and the XRP price chart should be giving us right now this kind of a pattern, which I already discussed with you, a bullish pin bar within this area of support, a fake out maybe to tap into this level of support / demand. Yeah, basically that's the quick update. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and we're going to see then of course next time with a new one here on my YouTube channel, guys. Bye bye.